That's a bummer. Stay at Yamba tonight.
Yeah, looking forward to that.
Yeah.
Looks pretty nice. It's almost like a resort.
Yeah, we're staying at the Blue Dolphin, so check that one out.
Caravan Park with water slides, gaming area, mini golf, all sorts of things.
Yeah.
He's more excited than that than
little
seeing
treat for
anything
the
else.
kids, eh? All right, let's get along our way. Whee!
Ready?
There you go. So another town, another skate park, and this Yamba skate park's actually really cool.
It's really good.
Yeah, so we just come down here for a bit of skateboarding and scootering and all that sort of stuff. So it's quite good when you can find a town that's got a big, well-equipped skate park like this, because our kids absolutely love it. So definitely good, and they don't stop.
No.
Anyway, so we have a couple of hours I think so far, and the kids have loved it, and
They're all hot and sweaty now. I need to go back to the resort caravan park that we're at.
yeah, jump in the pool.
Stop over at Yamba on the way through, which was cool.
Yeah, we're sort of just doing a relaxed last couple, I think.
Yeah, this is our real holiday on the way back to reality.
It's our final stretch until home, so
yeah,
just going to enjoy it. Caravan park style, it's lots of fun for the kids and just relaxing, so
just blowing the budget really.
Yeah, pretty much. But yeah, really nice spot, Yamba.
Yeah, it's beautiful
Beautiful
actually.
little caravan park we stayed at. That Blue Dolphin was awesome.
Yeah, so it was right on the river, which was beautiful. You could fish off the jetty out there, and that has heaps of facilities there for the kids. So there were 3 pools essentially.
Yeah.
There's a swim up bar pool, there's a tropical pool which is a bit warmer, and then a pool with water slides, and then there's also like a splash area for little kids as well. So that was really nice.
Yeah, games room and a pool,
There was a games
table
room,
and
pool
a
table
thing.
room.
Oh, it just had lots of stuff.
Mini golf, playground, jumping pillow,
Yeah.
Pump track.
pump track, so much.
So lots of stuff for kids.
Yeah, so it was a good spot, and it's nice there. It's just a little town really, isn't it?
Yeah.
We went out to the tavern for dinner last night. Great feed, awesome location. It's not a bad spot for a little family holiday.
Yeah.
Enjoyed it. So today we are heading a little bit further north again. We're going to head through Byron Bay on the way.
Yeah.
And go to the most easterly point of Australia, something we haven't done yet with the kids, so that'll be fun. And then we're going to carry on through to Tweed Heads, and we're staying at the Big 4 Billabong at Tweed Heads, which is another caravan park with some cool water slides and stuff. So we really are doing the holiday experience.
Yeah, that's it. No more bush camps, no more free camps.
No, none of that in this area, so we're going cruisy styles. All right, cool.
Let's go to the most easterly point.
Yeah. Alright, so we've made it up to the Byron Bay Lighthouse, which was a mission to say the least.
Yes. Word for the wise, don't take your caravan up here because you're not allowed to. There's a sign, like a tiny little sign that says don't go past here with the caravan.
We didn't actually come up here, but we ended up going down the bottom where we had to do like a bit of a U-E down at the beach, the bay part. Well, not a U-E, but it was a little bit of a, like a loop, but very, very skinny.
Yeah, so
we, yeah, don't bring your caravan. We've just dropped it in a street further down, left it there, and come up here without it, which is cool. Anyway, so we're going to go check out the lighthouse and the most easterly point of Australia.
Yeah, good job.
Woohoo!
Tick another one off the list.
Yeah. That's a bummer. Tip.
Yeah, I was going to say that in the thing. It's like Western Australia, steep point. Takes you 4 hours of off-roading to get there. Cape York, same thing. Wilson's Prom, you need to camp out. Here is a gift shop for crying out loud.
Alright, well, it has taken us 2 years and 2 months, but we finally made it from the most westerly point in Australia to the most easterly point.
Yeah, so
Took a
steep
while.
point to Byron Bay.
Yeah,
It's 2 and a bit years.
yeah, that's pretty cool.
Yeah. Not full-time travelling, but wish we were.
No, that's just from the first time we went to the most westerly point.
Yeah, anyway, so
That's
now
very
we've got
cool.
to do Steep Point.
Yep.
Steep
No,
Point. Cape York.
And do the hike out from Wilson's Prom. We only went as far as Wilson's Prom, but the
About
park
30
up
k's
point,
off.
so
Anyway,
didn't quite make it. That's all right. We'll get there one day.
next time. How's the view though?
So staying in here at the Big Four at Tweed Head Billabong. We've certainly done a lot of caravan parks in the last few weeks coming up the eastern coast, which is a lot more than we've done pretty much the whole time. Great facilities here though. All these caravan parks do have really good facilities, but I tell you what, they're certainly a little bit out of budget for us, or for a lot of travelling families, I think, at like, I think this one was about $90 something a night. So we don't generally tend to do it, but when we do, they really do have great facilities for kids. So there's water slides and all sorts of things. So I'm just going to little walk around and check out what they've got here. So there's areas for sport. There's a soccer pitch, basketball court, there's a little mini golf there, bocce. And there's even some cool little food vans here most nights. So we've got the fish and chip shop here today. The other day there was a pizza shop. So that's pretty cool. One of the cool features that sets this place out from the rest is the billabong. So it's got, this is all the camp kitchen over here. So Mark and I sat out there and had a coffee yesterday morning from the cafe here. And this billabong here, you can hire canoes, stand-up paddle boards, you can fish in here. It's really cool. There's two pools in the main pool area. This one over here is just a cold swimming pool. And then this one's heated as well with the water slide. There's something for everybody. Alrighty, so that was our last pack up for our official lap.
It's a bit annoying, isn't it?
That is, it's very sad.
Well, just for the meantime.
Yeah.
It's not officially over.
No. So it's time to stop for a little bit. We're going to be with some family and spend some time with new babies and Christmas.
Not
Not
ours.
ours.
Christmas and things like that.
Yeah, so
Get the kids back into school for a little bit.
yeah, so we're leaving Tweed Heads today and heading to Brisbane, back to where the family is, for a bit of a stint of
Not travelling.
real life.
But don't be upset. I know you will be. But we're going to still crank out a fair few more videos. We've got some wrap-up stuff. We're going to be talking about like budgets and things like that, like how much we actually spent in travelling and all that sort of stuff. I've got a fair bit of stuff we're doing with the cruiser. We're going to do a few reviews on the car, the bush wraps that we've had installed. We're going to do a bit of the thing on that. The van as well, what we've broken, what we think we'd do again now that we've been in it for 18 months. So there's going to be tons of stuff. So
Yeah,
and then
stuff still to
hopefully
come.
by the time we finish that, we'll then be travelling again.
Yeah, we have got some plans for the future,
Yeah.
but for the time being we'll be stationary. Kids are going to school next year at a mainstream school, which I'm excited about. But yeah, we're heading home.
It's not over yet.
New home.
Anyway, so yeah, thanks to everyone for watching, tuning in. It's great meeting a lot of people on the road as well. We've run into so many people that have watched our shows and things like that, and they've
we're surprised,
helped and
really,
stuff like
aren't
that.
we?
Yeah,
the
so
amount of people that have recognised
very
us
grateful.
and come for a chat, so that's lovely.
Yeah, thanks for that.
Yeah.
And if you haven't, tell all your friends. Jump over, subscribe. We've got tons of good stuff. We've got good stuff coming.
Yeah, there's still more to come. Watch this space. We're still here. We're just in one spot.
Yeah.
But it's okay.
All right.
We're loving it. Alrighty. So yeah, off we go.